seemed as if my recent video, 5 Things I Hate About My 350Z, seemed like it did pretty well. And it's only right if I do the 5 things I hate, I should do the 5 things I love. And there's a lot of things I love about this car, but I'm gonna just choose 5. So what I think is the most important thing that I love about this car is the heritage. And number 1 is the 240Z. It started all the Z's. It was known as the Datsun 240Z. Extremely beautiful car. I would love to own this car sometime in the future. Grow old with it. It's probably 40 years older than me. But yeah. Then we have the Datsun 260Z. These are pretty rare. I mean, they're all rare, but this one's like not too known about. No one really talks about these. Pretty similar. Also the 280Z, also similar to the 240 and the 260. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All 3 of them. Then we had the Nissan 300ZX. It was no longer Datsun, it became Nissan. With this car, some of these came twin turboed, and they also had back seats. None of the Z's really had that except for this one, so that's why I think it's pretty unique. Then we have the 350Z. The 350Z, before this car came out, the Z line was discontinued. I'm not sure for what reason. Oh yeah, Nissan was cutting back some cars to make more money, so they did more economy cars. They cut off their sports car line, including the GTR, the Z, the Nissan Silvias, and they just stuck with the economy cars. But they hired someone, I forgot who, and he wanted Nissan to have another run with sports cars to compete with Ford's Mustang and stuff. So they launched the 350Z. The 350Z ended up doing extremely well, so Nissan did a 370Z. 370Z looks more aggressive. Extremely beautiful, just like its older brother, the 350. And yeah, well, I'm seriously starting to get tired of the 370Z. We've been on this for forever, 10 years I believe, and we're basically in need of a new Nissan Z car. So if Nissan's listening to this, please make a new Nissan Z. This is the 400Z concept. We're not sure if it's ever gonna come out. Hopefully it does. I'm not sure about this design. Don't get me wrong, it's nice. One of the nicer concepts. But I would like to see what Nissan can do with it, how they could appeal it to the eye. Moving on to the second reason why I like this car is how curvy it is. It is a curvy car. I guess that's why I bought the car, because how curvy it is. That dog's barking. But I'm not gonna let that ruin the video. I like how curvy the car is. I like the rear. For the third thing I love about this car, I love that it is the Touring Edition, so it has all those features. It has heated seats, leather seats. What else does it have? It has xenon headlights. Kind of foggy, but at night they turn like a bluish tint instead of yellow. It comes with a kit. There's the kit right there. There's also one in the rear. It's a mudguard or whatever. Comes with the lip spoiler. But yeah, awesome. Love the Touring. The fourth thing I like about this car is I like the seating position. You are seated low. The door comes out to your shoulders, so if people next to you in the highway, if they saw you, they only see you from the neck up. You're seated low. Also, really cool feature is stick shift. The way how you're seated, the tachometer is right in front of you, so you can see it really easy. So whenever you rev up with the manual transmission, you could easily shift into the gear that you want. The gauge is over here, one of my favorite features. Miles per hour, oil, volts. This button right here, sometimes play around with it. It's hot here. That's how many more miles till I'm empty. Getting 21 MPGs. Yeah, and some other stuff that I still have to get used to. Alright, so that was me revving the engine. That is my final thing that I love about this car. I am sick, so thank you for putting up with my sick voice to the end of this video. If you guys want to see me do anything on this channel, just comment and I'll see what I could do. If you guys are new, like, comment, subscribe, share with your family or friends, it don't matter. Share it to your dog, I don't even care. But, bye.
My life, it is like a movie minus all the acting. Jacket, yeah, it's made on rabbit. Diamonds on my neck and wrist, they compliment that carrots. You ain't nothing but a mockingbird, boy, you a parrot. Oops, yeah, my bad, that's your girl, we can share it. Might buy her diamonds and pearls, but can't marry.